You guys see that bird? It's the bird. There it says I'm seeing things. See the bird? Is it invincible? Is it invisible? It's an invisible bird.
No, it's a ghost bird.
No, it's gonna fly. Go bye-bye. Oh!
And that's it. For your YouTube video.
No, I don't want to end the YouTube video like this. I am going to school. Not really going to school. I'm getting enrolled whenever we get back from Wally World, which is Walmart. Move!
I got you!
Stop it, weirdo. You're messing up my bangs. We're at Wally World, and as you can see, it's not packed at all. Like normal, it's like really packed. Ow. Stop!
You're making my girl squeaky with that turkey.
No!
I want a place to take it to. I saw a bird.
It's a bird!
I saw a bird.
It's a bird! It's a bird! Stop! You're making this video suck. Okay, my brother is throwing him a towel. Stop it, retard, I'm crying. I'm gonna be in school. I'm gonna be enrolled in school in about like 10 minutes. Oh, no! Stop it!
I'll be enrolled in school in about 10 minutes.
No! Okay, you're done. You
Oh,
hurt my throat!
I want to see how much extra is getting out of your throat.
Ow!
That's it, and that hurts. Look at my skin. Look at my extra skin on my neck.
This is my extra skin on my cheek.
Oh yeah, because you don't have much more to move. You have so much more.
Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, gobble. Gobble. See, you can like freaking look.
Oh,
Like,
super stretchy skin. I mean, look at this.
let's do it on my arm. My skin used to be stretchy and stuff. But we're going to go to. Move your hands, weirdo. Ow, freak.
Oh my god.
No. No, stop.
Stop.
Ow, my throat. I'm serious. I'm serious. I'm serious. I'm serious.
I'm
serious. Ow. Freak. Ow, stop. That's my back. Okay. And I'm gonna get enrolled, and whenever I get enrolled, oh my god, freak. I'll like make another video of me going into the school, and my mom's gonna be like, get off the phone. I'm not on the phone. We'll turn your phone off. So it's gonna be like a huge fight. Knock it off before I kill you.
You turn this. Hey, Leah, I'm over here. Look over here.
No.
Look over here.
No. He just smacked me. Okay. He just wants to be a YouTube star. Like that'll ever happen. No! Stop it. Okay. Do you guys want to see my money? Do you want to see his money? I got $40. I'm about to get like 100 more. My brother has. Show him your money.
I have balls.
Say that again?
I've got balls. I ain't got money. I've got $2 and $100.
Yeah. Do you see why we don't get along? But I think that's all I'm gonna say. So peace until the next video.
Give a crap.
Shut up! They care. You guys care, don't you? You've always cared.